We happened to meet a company a few years ago that struggled with margin and customer retention, and we did a little discussion with them and happened to see that they had a lot of data on their hand, very few skills to handle them, and also lacked some new data to be able to develop new services or better serve their customers. So we stepped in and developed a solution that we can now offer to new companies as well. Our Data Factory is a software solution based that allows us to integrate with any kind of data deep in our customer information system and to use new technologies such as machine learning or artificial intelligence and provide the right information at the right time to the right person directly to our customer. Our solution allows our customer to better understand their environment, to better serve their own customers and increase the margin, customer retention. And by integrating our solution to their own, they can actually sell new services. My name is Yann Aubert. I am from Neuchâtel in Switzerland, and I am co-founder and CEO of Braint-it. We will keep developing our existing solution, integrate more of the existing standards, and as of next year, we also want to deploy our activities on the European market.